Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today guys, we are unboxing iPad.
For me.
iPad for RJ because he's broken his iPad. Here is where
It's
from?
the 9th generation, sadly.
Yep. Where from this? California?
Yeah, it's made in California.
Where made RJ?
It's made in California, I think.
Okay, there is.
Oh. There we go.
There is.
Here it is.
Ta-da!
It's here! You ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
There it goes. Wait.
Ta-da!
Not out of it.
There it is. Rip. Not want to rip. There you go. Wow. There it is.
So satisfying. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Ta-da! Here it is.
iPad. Space gray. And that gray is dark.
Yeah.
That's different.
And what is included here? Have instruction.
Yeah, wait. So instructions designed by Apple in California.
Yeah. And have that.
These.
Yeah. Only that the
Then it comes
inside
with
in
these.
here. So
Just rip this open.
is the include
Dirty.
this.
And cord.
Have this.
Stickers.
Have
Let's
stickers.
put it on the iPad.
What's this here? Have
I'm
nothing.
gonna rip it off.
There is.
See the stickers right here. There you go. I put the stickers there, mommy. See?
Okay.
Look.
Here's the instruction, and that's it.
Is
The unboxing. Here is. So nice, brand new.
I'm gonna put the stickers on it.
Okay, that's it. The unboxing, guys. See you next time. Bye.